Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and I want to give a shout out to Daniel Flowers, a good friend of mine. We go back and forth on Messenger as we're working on the cars. He has a competition orange Cobra, and he was doing some blower work on it, and so he hooked me up with something very special. And by the cars in the background, I'm sure you're going to know what this is, especially if you've been on Facebook recently and seen, the big hype on all the Terminator pages. And that is that Maisto has released the 2003 Cobra again, and this time in competition orange. And so, as you know, the competition orange Cobras are all really 2004s, so they should have the dark charcoal inserts. But hey, we're not going to complain. We got another Terminator model, and I understand that they will be doing white soon as well. So these are the 1/18 scale models that are all at Sam's Club. It's an exclusive through them. That's the only way to get it, is through Sam's Club, or if you go on eBay now that people have got their hands on them. People are stockpiling them and selling them. Sam's Club, you can get them for about $15 each, which is a steal even for a model car that's not rare. And so anyway, if you have a Sam's Club nearby, see if you got it. And I'll give you the UPC a little later in the video. You can call your Sam's Club and see if they can tell you how many are on order, that kind of thing. But anyway, so here it is, competition orange. And again, this is labeled as a 2003, even though it should be a 2004. It has the clear headlights, which is the 99 2000 only. So, the model is good for what it is. I have some auto art models that are even more detailed, but this is really cool to see a Terminator again for sale in production. So this one looks very similar to the other ones that I have. It's obviously just the same thing. And the only thing I did notice is if you look at the Cobra Snake, they did place it really high on the orange one. I don't know why, but they all seem to be that way. Other than that, it's all the same decals and everything. So the cars do look pretty much the same as the other ones. So of course, that's all to be expected. It's the same model car. But just wanted to give you a quick kind of just a little walk around of the car here and show you what it looks like. It has the plastic here that I'll remove, and I can show you under the hood. So if you haven't seen one of these models before, they are fairly accurate. It does at least have the supercharger in there and the 32 valve engine, so it's fun to see. Of course, again, it's the same as the older ones because it's the same exact model, but just wanted to show you that they are the same in case you wanted to know. But it's nice to have a little supercharged engine hiding under there and be different than the other models that you would see with this body style. But anyway, I decided I was going to pick up yet another one of these because if you know my twin brother, Justin SVT, he has a competition orange Cobra, a real one. And so I thought it'd be really nice to go give him one. So picked up a second one. And again, I'm paid just under $100 shipped for both of these each. And that's kind of the going rate for them. So, if you're lucky, pick them up for that $14 at Sam's Club if you can find them as the exclusive there. The yellow models and everything I had were also exclusives. They were Target and Hobby Lobby only. So I tried Costco. I didn't have very much luck. I was hoping that it was close enough of a company because they do carry them around Christmas, and but they didn't have any there. Maybe they'll get some for Christmas, but if they do, I'm sure they're just going to pick up more for $14 each. So anyway, just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. And the interior is fairly accurate. I was very happy with it. It actually does have the proper six-speed stick shift on it, and especially the gauges, if you look. It was kind of hard to get the camera in here, but you can see it does have the proper silver-faced gauges with the SVT logo on it, and so it says Cobra on the steering wheel. So a nice little model for what it is. Again, the auto arts, if you've ever seen those, and I'll put a link to my auto art ones in the description. They're even a little more detailed than this, but it was cool to zoom in here and see that it does say SVT on the tachometer, and the red line was accurate. It looked like the rest of the gauges were accurate, and I tried to get some other shots here on my yellow ones and really zoom in here, especially on the convertible where I could get in. So it's the same stickers and everything from the previous car, of course. But neat little model. I'm glad that they made it. They don't make a lot of 03, 04 Cobra scale models, so this one was just fun to see. But here it is. I gave it to Justin SVT, and he was really excited to get it. So, but anyway, I know a lot of people are stockpiling these and reselling them, and I wouldn't go to all the trouble to ship them for little profit either, so I understand that they want to make a little bit of money off them, and that's fine. Here's the UPC if you're looking for it with the model number. Try putting that in eBay and everything and see what comes up. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing this video. I'll put some more videos similar to it in the video description if you're interested, and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new. Thanks for watching.